So this was a project together with the HTWG from Constance to make an exhibition together with students from communication design, historians, computer scientists and architects. And the main idea was to teach students how to make professional exhibitions. And the role I had to play as a computer scientist was to teach students how we can use new media to present knowledge in an exhibition.
Here in Constance we have the great chance and opportunity that on one hand at the university we have historians and computer scientists, and at the University of Applied Sciences we have designers and architects, and this is exactly what you need to do an exhibition. And they all have different ways of thinking and working, and when we bring them together, I think it's a benefit for all of them.
That was a great thing, this interdisciplinary experience, working together with different disciplines like communication designers, architects, computer scientists and historians. As you can imagine, they have very different traditions, backgrounds and cultures in working and discussing together. But in the end, we did a great job, all worked very well together and learned from each other, learned from different backgrounds, different disciplines, and to come up with a great solution. This is a great model for transfer, because for students this is a great experience to learn how to make a professional exhibition in a safe environment like a university. But later on they can use this knowledge, this experience in their professional life. So they are really well equipped, very well prepared for the career. And I think that's a great success model.
It's definitely a success model. I started almost 10 years ago bringing designers and architects together, and it always lacked main parts, and so we were very, very happy that we could establish that collaboration with historians and computer scientists, because I think now we really have a complete package to develop these complex exhibitions. I think for the students it's a great benefit. Almost all of the students that do our program, which is a 4-term program that ends with this professional exhibition, they learn so much that they can work almost everywhere in the exhibition field. So when we look at our students that have successfully finished the program, they all work in very high-ranked professional agencies or museums, and they found a job just right away.